Background and history. 1. Apollo 11 was the culmination of NASA's Apollo program, conceived to land humans on the moon and bring them safely back to Earth. 2. Launched on July 16, 1969, the mission aimed to fulfill President John F. Kennedy's commitment to achieving a crewed lunar landing before the end of the decade. 3. The Apollo 11 crew included Commander Neil Armstrong, Lunar Module pilot Buzz Aldrin, and Command Module pilot Michael Collins. 4. The mission unfolded during a tense Cold War era, with the United States and the Soviet Union competing for supremacy in space exploration. 5. The successful landing on the moon marked a defining moment in human history. Historical impact. 1. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the lunar surface, while Michael Collins orbited above in the command module. 2. Armstrong's iconic words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind," resonated globally as a testament to human achievement. 3. The achievement showcased the United States' technological prowess and fulfilled Kennedy's vision, restoring national pride. 4. The moon landing had profound implications for science, inspiring advancements in space exploration, technology, and understanding the cosmos. 5. The success of Apollo 11 set the stage for subsequent lunar missions and remains a symbol of human ingenuity and exploration. Historical milestones. 1. July 16, 1969, the mission included launch, lunar orbit insertion, moon landing, lunar surface activities, and return to Earth. 2. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin spent approximately 21 hours on the lunar surface, conducting experiments and collecting samples. 3. Michael Collins orbited the moon alone in the command module, a solitary experience dubbed the loneliest human. 4. The lunar module, named Eagle, separated from the command module, Columbia, for the descent and ascent phases. 5. The successful splashdown in the Pacific Ocean marked the end of the historic journey. Technological advancements. 1. The Saturn V rocket, the most powerful ever built, propelled the Apollo 11 spacecraft out of Earth's atmosphere. 2. The lunar module's descent and ascent engines enabled a controlled landing on the moon and return to lunar orbit. 3. The Apollo guidance computer, a groundbreaking technology, guided the spacecraft and facilitated the lunar landing. 4. The Extravehicular Mobility Unit, EMU, provided life support for astronauts during their moonwalk. 5. Innovations in spacecraft design, navigation, and communication were critical for the success of the mission. Challenges and risks. 1. The risk of catastrophic failure during launch, lunar descent, or re-entry into Earth's atmosphere was ever present. 2. The unknowns of the lunar surface presented challenges in selecting a suitable landing site. 3. The psychological challenges faced by astronauts during extended space travel and isolation. 4. The reliance on cutting-edge technology that had never been tested in the lunar environment. 5. The potential for political fallout and loss of public support in the event of mission failure. Future prospects. 1. Apollo 11 laid the foundation for subsequent lunar missions, contributing to a broader understanding of the moon's geology. 2. The success of the Apollo program bolstered interest in space exploration and the possibility of human missions to other celestial bodies. 3. The legacy of Apollo 11 endures in current efforts to return humans to the moon and embark on future crewed missions to Mars. 4. The Artemis program, NASA's initiative to return humans to the moon by the mid-2020s, builds upon the achievements of Apollo. 5. The international collaboration in space exploration continues to shape the future of human spaceflight. Controversies and debates. 1. Debates centered around the allocation of resources to space exploration during a period of social and political unrest. 2. Controversies arose regarding the perceived militarization of space and the geopolitical implications of the moon landing. 3. The ideological competition with the Soviet Union fueled concerns about the potential weaponization of space. 4. Critics questioned the prioritization of space exploration over addressing pressing issues on Earth. 5. The impact of the moon landing on subsequent national space policies and priorities. Additional information. 1. Buzz Aldrin conducted the first spacewalk on the lunar surface, joining Armstrong shortly after the historic landing. 2. Armstrong's initial steps on the moon were watched by an estimated 600 million people worldwide. 3. The American flag was planted on the moon during the mission, symbolizing the United States achievement. 4. The plaque left on the lunar module read, "Here men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon July 1969, AD. We came in peace for all mankind." 5. The rock samples collected during the mission continue to be studied, providing insights into the moon's geological history. Fun facts. 1. The lunar module's call sign was Eagle, chosen as a symbol of the United States. 2. Armstrong and Aldrin left behind a silicon disc containing goodwill messages from leaders of 73 countries. 3. Aldrin took communion on the lunar surface, making him the first person to do so outside Earth. 4. The phrase, Tranquility Base, was used to refer to the landing site, chosen for its relatively smooth terrain. 5. The lunar module's ascent stage was intentionally crashed into the moon to provide seismic data. Dark side. 1. The dark side represents the challenges and controversies associated with the Apollo program. 2. The financial and environmental costs of the space race during a time of social and economic upheaval. 3. The potential diversion of resources from addressing terrestrial issues to the pursuit of space exploration. 4. The ethical considerations of planting a flag on the moon, raising questions about sovereignty and territorial claims. 5. The geopolitical tensions and the military context in which the Apollo program unfolded. 6. The unequal distribution of the benefits of space exploration and its impact on societal priorities.